creator. The creator is nothing but consciousness. It's not far away. Now you understand this way, you will understand quickly. Kingdom, take the word kingdom, because the moment we use the word kingdom, the mind is trying to create the white palace. He has not mentioned about white palace like kingdom. He mentioned something which is invisible. Invisible kingdom. This was the trouble actually. When he was using the word kingdom, the king at that time doubted on him. That was the really problem started. Here is a competitor. The king thought that Jesus was the competitor for his kingdom, his geographical kingdom. He was mentioning something invisible kingdom, which is invisible. See, this is the problem of the mind. This is the problem of the words also. When you use a word, the mind is ready to give so many stories about it.
Is the kingdom,
Kingdom.
if it is invisible, what do I do with that kingdom? I cannot see it.
You can do everything with that. Okay? The kingdom, what Jesus mentioned, with that kingdom you can do anything. In fact, you are doing everything from the kingdom only. So far, you are not aware of it. That's the truth. Because of that kingdom, you are breathing. Because of that kingdom, invisible kingdom, the heartbeat is going on. That is what the I will not forget you. If I forget you, there won't be any heart beating. That's the meaning. There won't be any respiration if I forget. It's not a bargaining. I will not forget you. You should not forget me. It's not a bargaining. It's not a business transaction. Give and take. It's out of compassion for the betterment of the humanity. If you don't forget me, if you constantly knowing me, if you constantly remember me, if you constantly experience me, you will never suffer. You will never suffer. The one who is knowing the Creator, there is no way of suffering whatsoever. Whether it is physical suffering, mental suffering, or financial suffering, or anything. It's hard to understand this because we are in the world of mind.
So just out of curiosity, so how do you know that Jesus didn't suffer when he was up there, or because he didn't show it?
This is predictions. We can interpret in different ways, right? The same incident, one incident happened, the last incident of his life. He was crucified. If you ask 10 people, 10 types of interpretations are possible.
Because back then in the Romans, I mean, familiar with the story of Rabbi Akiva?
Huh?
Rabbi Akiva? He was also killed, murdered by the
See,
Romans.
I am mentioning Jesus because you are all very closely associated with that.
Okay.
I can mention Buddha, I can mention anybody else also.
Well,
It's easy for you to understand. That's why I am quoting examples.
Basically, they kind of cut his skin.
I know, they cut the hands also.
And it was like, while that
They
was
cut
happening,
the hands also.
all I'm presenting
At
is
that
this
time,
little-
what was his statement, You can cut my hands, you cannot cut me. You can set fire on me, you cannot set fire on me really. You can set fire on my body. This was the statement. Same thing with Jesus also. He knows that they are not killing him. People thought they are killing him. Nobody can kill person like Jesus. Nobody can kill a person like Buddha. Nobody can kill person like Adi Shankara. Impossible.